Welcome, guys, to the first chapter of Extinguish Your Anger course. In this video, I'm going to speak briefly about how I was affected by anger and how I overcame it, and also what type of techniques I decided to pursue, but how it didn't work for me. As well as I'm going to touch a bit on anger itself, but I'll get on to more about anger in the next chapters. So, first of all, as I told you in the introduction, I was a victim of anger myself. And at the time, I did not realize that holding on to anger was like having a hot, burning piece of coal on my palm and just trying to crush that hot piece of coal. It was nothing else. It was nothing else. I thought when some people try to hurt me, or the circumstances around me changed to a way that I was not the winner, it made me angry. And sometimes I felt that some people I hurt in response to my anger, they deserved it. And I thought I won, but on the long run, I understood that no, I was losing, and I was losing badly, and I was losing fast. And I was only hurting myself. I was the only one who was getting burned. So that's how I decided to change myself. So this is my daughter. She was about 3 years old at the time when this picture was taken. This is me in my uniform. That's a long time ago. And I have been with my wife by this time for almost a decade, and she has been my best friend. And with time, I realized how inadequate and abusive I had been in my speech. Every time the slightest thing didn't go my way, the way I wanted everything to go my way, obviously, because I was not in this mind frame as I am now. And sometimes, even when things went well for me, but I thought at the time it was not, I got angry as hell. And you know that fire rising within you and blowing off like a volcano within minutes, within seconds. And at that particular moment, I was capable of using all the swear words in the universe in a very, very short period of time. And basically, long story short, my goal was to obtain control of my life, because at that moment, I was consumed in anger. I knew that I was out of control and I could do anything. I used to smash stuff, I used to shout at anyone, and I was like a raging bull. And even in that state, if I was spoken to, when I was in that state of mind, I went ballistic on whoever it was. And it was a total disaster, and my neighbors would vouch for it as well. It was very embarrassing for everyone in my family. So basically, since it was ruining my relationship with my wife and also ruining my happiness, and my kids were getting affected as well, my kids, including my daughter, didn't even want to come to me because she was so scared of me. And I was working away from home, and every time I came back, I didn't feel like they really wanted me home. So I decided to take action about this. I did so many things with my wife, and I went for therapy. I was prescribed medication as well, but none of them work. But I was lucky enough to come across the content I'm going to show you in this course, and I practiced it. And my mental peace I enjoy now, having changed from that unpleasant guy, swearing all the time, angry towards the smallest and the most minor things, is unbelievable. It's amazing. the peace I feel now. And before I knew it, people around me, they immediately, more or less, recognized that I've changed. And they were asking me for advice on how I managed to change myself. And, and before I know it, I'm telling other people how simple it is to change yourself if you put the right effort. And that's how I started coaching. But I need to warn you, this course will be meaningless to you unless you follow the instructions and apply what you learn. Just watching the videos will be of very little value to you. You have spent a lot of money to follow this course, so I can't stress enough that you need to take action. Take action now. There is sufficient material in this course for you to crush your anger and change your life for the better forever. And if you're like anything like me, you might have tried various stuff. There's so much of information on the internet about exercising to steam off, breathing exercises to steam off. But most of the time you got angry, you forgot about the breathing exercise. You blew out first and then remembered the breathing exercise. So it was pretty much useless. And who's watching hours and hours of positive psychology videos on YouTube? Positive psychology videos are good while you watch them, but when the circumstances around you change to make you angry, you don't remember any of it. You just blow off like a volcano. And there's different types of group sessions. Even going to psychologists who tell all your problems, and you get all this advice, but nah, doesn't work. And the worst thing is medication. And a small warning about medication: seems like, although I'm not an expert in medication for anger issues, medication seem to make people who has anger issues worse with medication. And especially when they're trying to get away from those medication and they have withdrawal symptoms and they go ballistic for some reason. So I need to warn you, if you are taking medication or if you're planning to, you have to be very, very careful about it. And most of these are temporary solutions. So what I need you guys to have is a long-term solution which you can use for years and years and throughout your life, which will change you and make you a better person, make you a more lovable person, make you a more healthier person, and make you a more happier person. But one thing I need to tell you guys here and now is that you need to go through some of these chapters multiple times. It might not be easy to grasp as first, but if you watch them multiple times, you will understand it and you will be able to make use of it. And the other thing I need to stress now is you need to put away all of those anger management books. If you're following any anger management therapies, you need to get rid of that. If you're taking medication, you need to speak to a doctor that you're going to follow an anger management course and how it's going to affect you. And you need to stop all those anger management lessons you might have taken from other people, which might clash with this course. So I need you to focus 100% on the tools I'm going to give you in this course and how you can come face to face with anger, which I didn't find in any other technique. So I need your undivided attention in each of these videos to make sure that you understand what I'm telling you, and you need to practice these things only after you understand it. Otherwise, it's pretty meaningless. So, with that said, I need to tell you that you need to put in some effort towards changing yourself, to change yourself towards a happier yourself. And the decision is yours to make. Have you punished yourself enough for other people's mistakes? If you think you had enough, it's time to stop this. It's time to stop this madness, and it's time to take control of your life and be a that better person. With that said, I'll see you in the next chapter.